Hi, just a quick video on storage, some timber. This was waste MDF, some strips of wood which was thrown away, and I'm going to make some upright storage. This is what it's doing for me. It's filling this corner in. That piece will go on the face of here. I've used the white inside here to reflect light a bit more, and on the top couple I've put the white on the underside because I can't see in the top. So that will help reflect. But this will be a great space for lots of bits of timber. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to get this on now. Right, it's gone from here. It's up there. The floor is miles out, so I've had to put some wedges underneath and under here. It's a factory floor. What do you expect? I screwed those timbers there from the outside of here, just like you saw these timbers here were screwed from the outside here. Those little supports, this is only 12 inches wide, those little supports across the back, I've just used some of this this grab adhesive stuff because I've got a tube of it. I'm not going to touch this now. There's a sash cramp helping that level upright. It's right down here, and I mean, look at all that storage. That storage is brilliant. That's going to do fantastic there. So look at that. That looks great. Transforming a bit, tidying up, and I'll just show you. Just want to catch up with this storage. I'm filling it up. It's I've put some paint over the screws. I haven't filled them. I've just put paint over the screws so I can still put a screwdriver in, take it apart if I want. I've done a bit of hanging space over the screw holes just so that I can hang keys and hat, and those can hang there like that. Temporary things in there, not too many temporary actually. What I'm going for is I'm going different species of wood, exotics, oak, beech, mahogany, cedar, oak Iroko down the bottom. This corner's still a bit of a mess. I've got to move some bits around, but when my back's playing up, I'm not moving anything big because it's just too much for me. So yeah, it's on its way. It's well on its way. But as far as storage goes, upright is the way to go. This is great for planks that way, but you've always got those little awkward bits of wood that go in there. And I've got another one that I wanted to show you. An even tinier storage, 6 inches wide, 8 inches wide, something like that. And it runs all the way down there. And that some of that wood will go into the one behind me. And that will be tiny little strips like these here, like that. Will go into there. Bigger ones out of there will go in here. Bigger ones than that will go in those white boxes there, which will go under the shelving rack round here. So I'm getting there, but blimey, long way to go really.